Hey everyone, how are you guys today? I hope everyone's having a good day. It's been kind of nice out here in Michigan. The weather's been a little bit sunny, so to us it feels like it's 80 degrees, even though it's right around 50. All right, you're here for Eureka Math Squared, fourth grade, Module 4, Lesson 10. I'm Mr. Short, helping you out with this. If you haven't done it yet, hey, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Let me know people are out there actually paying attention to this, so I keep going. All right, let's look at today's assignment. Each large square represents one. So this whole thing is one, and this whole thing is one. Trace the area mile to show how the larger unit is composed. Then label the equivalent fractions. Express each equivalence by using division. Okay, so let's look at what we got here. Let's just count the total spaces first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to put the 8 at the bottom. How many pieces are shaded in? 2 pieces. So it's 2/8. Okay. So when we look at that, we need to see it. I'll grab my highlighters. Here is what they just showed us. Okay. That's the whole thing. We go here. Okay. All the highlighted is the 2/8 they're showing us. Now, to break it down more, we really want to look at, let's see if it works, is you can kind of see this purple pinkish line there. We want to get that gone. We want to pretend that's not there anymore, because that divides this in half. So if that purplish line there disappears, how many sections do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, right? This one would be 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, because there's 4 of them. But how many of those are shaded in? Just one. So that would be 1/4. Okay, does that make sense? Can we see that? So now if we look at the multiplication, the division sentence over here, we have 2/8 equals, now we have 2 divided by 2 and 8 divided by 2. They're showing that it's divided by 2 because when we split this in half, we doubled everything, which is the same as multiplying it by 2. So if we divide 2 by 2, we get 1. If we divide 8 by 2, we get 4. So I'm going to write that bigger. 1/4, which is what we got up here. All right. I'm going to help a little bit more with the next one than I normally would because this is new to us. But I want to show it a different way. We're going to go big first, right? Big first. So here's our hole. That's our hole. Okay? And then we're going to go with this line right down the middle. So that's our hole. So this whole side over here is 1 because we haven't highlighted these horizontal lines yet. So that whole side there is 1, and this other side here is 1. So how many pieces do we have? 1, 2. 2 pieces. Okay, 2 pieces. How many of them are shaded in? 1. Now let's look. Now we have to add in all these lines. This one, this one, this one, and this one. Now we need to count our pieces again. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 pieces. And how many of them are shaded in? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 are shaded in. So our equation, we want to go from bigger to smaller, even though I did it the other way because I feel like it's easier to see that way before we break it apart. But we're going to do the opposite now. So we have 5/10 equals. So then we're going to put 5 in a line and divided by, and 10 and divided by. I made that line a little longer than it needs to be. Okay. So if we look and we see the 2 sections, we also want to look and see how these work with each other. 5 and 10, do they work together much? Can this go into this? It can. So if 5 can go into 10, nice, neat, and even. We divide 5 by 5, and we divide 10 by 5. So that's going to equal 5 divided by 5 is 1. 10 divided by 5 is 2. So there's our 1/2 that we got here when we just split the whole thing right off the bat. Took one big hole and cut it in half. Let's look at the back. We got one page on the back today. Or one page, my goodness. One question on the back today. Robin hikes for 3 hours, 40 minutes. She stops for a break. Then Robin hikes for another 35 minutes. How many total minutes does Robin hike? So she hikes for 3 hours and 40 minutes. HRMIN. Takes a break. And then she hikes for another 35 minutes. So you need to know how many total minutes does she hike. So you need to take this hours, bring it down here, and convert it to minutes. And put the minutes right here, and then just add them all up. I'm not going to help with that one. Just remember how many minutes are in an hour. Multiply that by this number. Put that number down here, and then add everything up and make sure your answer has minutes. Be like this, and your answer will go right here with minutes. All right? All right, guys. I hope this helped today. Again, Eureka Math Squared. I'm Mr. Short. This is 4th grade Module 4, Lesson 10 on pages 59 and 60. I hope this helps. And as always, I hope you have a good night.